Hello there! Today we look into the features of the slider block, which is included in the Caledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on wordpress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. Content controls. These controls are responsible for setting the content of the slider. The slider block allows us to showcase the content of up to 6 template parts in a slider format. Each new slider must have a unique identifier. This identifier must not be reused for other sliders. After typing our unique identifier, we must choose the number of cards for the slider. Then we will select the template part for each slider card. For example, if we choose to display 3 cards, we must select exactly 3 template parts. Any additional template parts won't be displayed. How to create slider cards. To create a new slider card, we go to Appearance, Editor, Patterns, Add Pattern, Add Template Part. Then we will select the slider card template area and type the name of our new card. Finally, we will click on Add to save the new slider card. The new slider card will be opened in the Gutenberg editor. As a template part, we can add any kind of block, from images to text. After modifying the content of our slider card, we will be able to use it in our slider block. Style controls. In the Style tab, we can change the color of the navigation and pagination indicators, both for the light and dark modes. We can also change the maximum width for the slider. We can choose between a list of predefined values or use a custom value. Finally, we can set the height of the slider. Additional settings. The slider block has a tab for additional settings. There we can control the loop setting of the block. If we enable this option, the slider will have a continuous loop. The navigation arrows setting allows us to hide or show the navigation arrows that appear at the sides of the slider. The pagination setting allows us to show how many slides the block has. We have 3 options: bullets pagination, fraction pagination, and the progress bar option. If we want, we can turn on the autoplay feature. The delay between slides is measured in milliseconds. Finally, there are 3 types of transition effects for the slider block: fade, cover flow, and none. Thank you for watching.